Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to my channel. My name is Srileka. I make some video contents related to my exploration videos, the places I hang out, and recently I got fall in love in making beaded jewelries related to that content, and even some of those products I try on my skincare products too. And if you want, you can check out in my channel. Everyone has a special love for this friendship bracelets, which we can create and we can gift our best friends. That usually happens, but sometimes what happens is that we don't get ideas that is common for everyone. But this time I came up with some of the basic ideas which you can make use of it while creating this. So these are all the basic friendship bands which I created using pony beads. So you can even add a letter like this of your friend name's first letter that can create a lovely look. So this is what all this video is about. I created some of the basic friendship bracelets. So I love this color. Usually pink and yellow goes good. So this is also one of the ideas you can create, like having some sort of quotes in your bracelet, like just let me show this quote: believe in miracles. This is one of my most favorite. So you can add something like this. Then I created a bracelet like be happy. This one is also good, right? Then you have many options. You can create anything. I created this success. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.